Hi, Ryan here for Custom Paints and Industrial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly restore your vehicle's paintwork. From looking dull, faded and scratchy, we're going to buff it up to a nice high gloss. You can actually use this method to remove all types of contaminants on your paintwork. Paint overspray, graffiti, road tar, tree sap, vat droppings, basically most contaminants you're going to find stuck to your paintwork. This technique should remove them.
I'll quickly show you what's included in the kit before I show you how to use it. You get the Velocity 180mm sander polisher. It's got variable speed control, a trigger lock, adjustable for left and right handed use, and it comes with a double-sided foam waffle pad. You'll get a bottle of Juice Q-Cut cutting compound, a bottle of Juice speed wax, a Juice microfiber towel, and while stocks last, we'll throw in one of these sweet Juice t-shirts. Okay, so someone's washed this Camry with a hard bristle brush. It's left scratches over the whole car. We're going to use the buff to see if we can get rid of these scratches. Starting with the orange side of your buff pad attached, we'll apply a small amount of Juice Q-Cut, or you can just put a small dab straight onto the panel. Smear it around a little to reduce splatter. And you want your speed set at around 12 to 1500 RPM, about number 3 on your speed controller, and it's time to start buffing. Once you've finished buffing, grab your Juice microfiber towel and remove any excess compound. Now we'll flip over the buff pad and attach the black side. Apply a small amount of Juice speed wax this time. Start polishing. This stage helps to bring up the gloss. It also applies a protective coating to your paintwork.
So save yourself the hassle spending hours polishing your paintwork only to end up disappointed with the results. Pick up one of our kits online at custompaints.com.au or drop into one of our stores. You'll find us in Gympie at 50 Duke Street and just up the road from the Big Pineapple in Mumbai. If you have any questions, jump on the phone, give us a call, grab a custom buffing kit, you'll be stoked with the results you'll get. This is Ryan for Custom Paints. Thanks for watching.